Let's try.
Here we
Ready?
go. Two, three, and
Thank you, love. Thank you, love.
close your eyes and listen to each other.
Thank you, love.
Feel the music. I just want to thank.
I just want to thank you, love.
Let's sing it again. We're going to ad lib.
Hi, my name is Lyris Daye. I'm in grade 12. I attend Prince Andrew High. I'm 18 years old. I am the Canadian premiere of The Color Purple, which is in Halifax, and I play the opening act, which is the church soloist, and I also play Olivia, which is Ceely's daughter.
I'm Keisha Fraser. I'm here in Halifax working at Neptune Theater doing The Color Purple. And I play one of the church ladies.
Yes. And I'm Samantha Walks, and I'm also in The Color Purple with Miss Keisha. And I'm Play Nettie and understudy Ceely.
Like, just because we're doing this professionally does not mean that we didn't start here. We started right here.
So basically a bunch of the cast members from the show came here, and we basically did a lot of workshops and really pretty much talked about the show and did a bunch of other things to really open up to the drama community here in Prince Andrew, and it was awesome.
So we did a lot of games, learning, focusing, concentrating, projecting. It was a good time.
It was a good time.
Thank you, love. Thank you, love. And
Them guys, they can sing. They can they're great actors. They're great performers. It's just wow. Like watching them was so awing. Whew, chills, man. They're here. They're not just some figment on the stage or actual people like us, right? So
I'm starstruck because I was a big fan of Ceely. I'm oh my god, she's here! And I was sitting next to her. I'm oh my god, I'm sitting next to Ceely. I was awkwardly sweating. I'm oh my god, this is happening.
I hope that the theater kids here can really learn from us. The Black community is very talented, absolutely talented, and there's so much talent where they're scared. And I feel if they see Reputation with an all-Black cast, it gives them the hope that they are able to do it.
My passion is making sure that those people feel included in what is happening at Neptune. That yes, they are hiring people of color to be on their stage and are celebrating stories like Color Purple. But the people who really need to see that are the people who are here. And they need to see that the possibility is endless for them. Part of this outreach is also saying, yeah, we're on stage every night, but I'm also here and I see you. Growing up, I never heard that. I never had someone say, I see you. I see you being, I see you doing, and what you could be.
you know, a team up there, it's oh yeah, we can do this. We have people here with talent, but we're not hidden. So yeah, it's just reaffirming that.
It's very easy to really follow and not take no for an answer and do what you love. You're able to achieve it. You just have to work hard. Yeah.
let me hear the whole thing. Thank you, love. And
When we did the music portion, there was a lot of people who said they hadn't sang for a while, and I hope that suddenly wakes them up and lets them continue doing it. Some people that were singing, but they kind of didn't know that they had much of a voice, and then it was suddenly discovered.
Yes.
With Jeremiah Sparks just telling them, be inventive, be free, and just live through what you're feeling.
it's all right.
Thank you, love.
I started singing. I'm okay, I haven't done that since I was in my church choir, and God knows how long ago.
I sing to myself when I'm alone, but not in public. This is first time in public since I was in my shows. But yeah.
I just want to thank you, love.
Thanking you, love. I just want to